Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps in HTML. Integrating Google Maps in HTML allows you to embed interactive maps on websites for better navigation, location tracking, and user engagement. Whether you want to showcase a business location, event venue, or custom map, adding Google Maps enhances the user's experience. And the best part, it's easy to implement using the Google Maps Embedded API or JavaScript API, and here's how. The first step is to use Google Maps Embedded API, which is the simplest way. And just open Google Maps by going to maps.google.com and search for your desired location. For example, I'm going to choose this one. After that, click on Share, and here click on Embed a Map and copy the iframe code. Copy the HTML, click on Copy. As you can see, it's copied into the clipboard. Now paste the iframe code into your HTML file. Go to your HTML file and then paste this iframe code. The second method is using Google Maps JavaScript API, which is for interactive map. Get a Google Maps API key from the Google Cloud Console, then enable Maps JavaScript API and add a code to your HTML file. This code right here. You can pause the video so you can copy this code right here, this selection. And that's it for today's tutorial. Use API keys wisely, which restricts users to avoid unauthorized access, and customize markers by adding custom icons for branding, and optimize for mobile to ensure responsiveness with CSS. Now, adding Google Maps in HTML makes websites more dynamic and user-friendly, whether using iframe embedding for simplicity or the JavaScript API for advanced features. Google Maps helps users find location with ease. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.